All right, guys, it's good to be back here. So, how I say in my previous video, I'm starting a new series here, and I'm starting this new series, and we are trying to solve some challenge live here. This is all right. This is recorded, but now I'm live. Let me just check my camera just a little bit. Well, that's it. So we'll try to solve this challenge from HackerRank, CoderByte, or Let's Code, and whatever. And I have some others challenge that I participate in some interviews, and we'll solve here those challenges here too. So I just opened my HackerRank, and this is the next one because I'm following some steps here. So first of all, we have this challenge. So this challenge is called Sun, Min, and Max. Sun, Min, and Max challenge. Let me check here. Is this name problem? Oops. I think that is. That's it. I'm misunderstanding here. So it's Min and Max Sun. And let's read here. So, given five positive integers, find the minimum and maximum values that can be calculated by summing exactly four of the five integers. Then, print the respective minimum and maximum values as a single line of two space separated long integer. So, all right, let's start here. We receive this array. All right. And this array, this example is 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. This one. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So, if I'm not mistaken here, we need to sum up everything and then remove the minimum and the maximum. So, if I sum everything here, 9 plus 1, 10, 13, 18, 25. So 25 minus 1, 24. 25 minus 9, 16. So that's it. So let's go to our code here. And this is from the platform. And have this minimum and maximum here. And let's get this. So we'll create another. Well, this will need to receive. So return, and we'll have um, probably two values. Actually, it's not a return here. Minimum, maximum. So we have console dot write line. All right, in here we have this, and we have oops mean and two separated space. One, two, max. And we need another function here, public static key. We receive a long, long mean, oops, long mean and long, oops, long max. Long mean and long max. That's it. These are the response. And let's check. Let's call this like uh calculate. And this calculate we receive return 1, 2, something like this. Mhm. Yeah, that's it. Public static calculate. What is wrong here? Oops. We have this. All right. So we will calculate and we receive this as var mean and max from calculate, passing this array. All right, everything is working here. Just need this. So everything is almost working except this. But all right. So first, what do we need to do? We need to iterate in this array for sure. So for each, and we have var number in array. All right, we have this array in array. What we need to do here? So we need, first of all, we need var. We need to know the total. Total starts with 0. So, all right. So, total plus number. First of all, we need this. All right. And we need to check what is the mean value and the max value. So, var mean value 0 and var max value equals 0. Yeah, but I need to compare this value. So I can use this. So the mean value, we receive the int dot max value. This is the maximum value from integer. And the max value, I'm going to need the mean value because this is the minimal value from the integer. So it's a negative number. So what we are checking here? The mean value is the most bigger one. So I can check. This is this is an example. I could use like I know that this number, the bigger number is 9 and the minimal number is 1. So I could use 10 for example, and here I could use 0. Just an example. So let's start with this. So uh, I need to check. So if mean value, actually if n is oops is number is uh just a pause here. Oops. So if number is meaner than mean value, so mean value, because now mean value is 10. So this is minor than 10. So mean value, mean value receive number. Now we need to do the other way around. If number With now, I'm checking the maximum the more the great value. So max value. So if number is bigger than max value, so max value, which now is 1, is 0, we receive the first number, whatever it is. So we could start 1, so then it will replace for 1, and then 3, and then 5, and then 7, and the last, it will be 9. So max value receive number. That's it. Now I have the total number and I have the mean, minimal number and the maximal number. So I will return total. This is, I need to return the minimal and the maximum. I need total minus the max value and get total minus the mean value. So what I'm doing here, I'm summing everything and removing the maximum. So I have the minimum. This is 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, and 7. And here I'm doing the other way around. I'm summing up everything and removing only the first. Is here. Let's see if I think if let's see if this works. So let's run code. All right. We have, it's almost, we have something wrong here because now we have 10 and 4. Oh, all right. The expected output is 10 and 14, and we have 10 and 14, but with only one space here, and we have two. Well, all right. They say two spaces here. Then print with two space separated. All right. Let's check again. Run code. All right, now it works. But you can see if they test this with some value bigger than 10 or well, they say only positive values. But we can check this and see. And now do like the in a good way. The mean value and mean dot max value. Now this works better. So in this series, I'm trying to think better in the things that we need to do because we can improve that because we don't have this in these samples, but we could have some problem with this because now we are doing some with this long max and long mean, and everything here is an integer. We could, and using long, it could avoid overflow sum up, but just for checking, if I run this, if I use this in a production code, it could be better using like this. Simple, but powerful. So let's see this. If it's still running, and we are good. So that's it, guys, for today. This is the mean and max sum, and I think for the next challenge, I don't know if I'm talking about some interview challenge, but I think I'll try to do that. So see you next round. Bye bye.